You just got off a long flight, desperate for your rental car and a taste of freedom. You stride up to the counter, documents in hand, feeling prepared until the agent asks, "What about your insurance coverage today?" Suddenly, you're bombarded with acronyms. CDW, LDW, SLI, PEC, your confidence vanishes. The agent describes worst-case scenarios, hinting that a minor fender bender could bankrupt you. You start to sweat. Is this a scam? Do you really need all this extra insurance? This is the classic rental car upsell designed to catch tired travelers off guard. The pressure is real, and it's how so many end up paying double what they expected. But you don't have to fall for it. With the right knowledge, you can walk up to that counter and say, "No thank you," and mean it. This isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. Let's break down the system so you can keep your money for the fun stuff. Get ready for your American road trip without the dread. Here's the truth. Every U.S. rental car comes with basic liability insurance, but it's usually the bare legal minimum. In some states, that means as little as $10,000 in property damage coverage, barely enough for a fender bender, let alone a new luxury car. If you cause more damage than the minimum covers, you're responsible for the rest. That's the fear rental agents use to upsell you on supplemental liability insurance, or SLI. SLI boosts your coverage to $1 million, but it can double your daily rate. The reality? You do need more than the state minimum, but the rental desk is the most expensive place to get it. Rental companies know you're tired and vulnerable, so they push hard. The trick isn't skipping extra coverage, it's getting it smarter and cheaper before you reach the counter. Don't let fear drive your decisions. Plan ahead, and you'll avoid the trap. Step 1. Know what's included and what you really need. Step 2. Never buy insurance in a panic at the desk. There are better options. Take control before you even land. That's how you win. Now let's decode those intimidating acronyms. CDW and SLI. CDW, collision damage waiver. Sounds like insurance, but it's not. It's a promise from the rental company not to charge you for damage or theft of their car. Decline it. And even a tiny scratch could cost you hundreds in repairs, loss of use fees, and admin charges. SLI, supplemental liability insurance, actually is insurance, covering damage or injury you cause to others. Rental companies want you to buy both, turning a cheap rental into a luxury expense. But here's the secret. You can get the same coverage elsewhere, for less. Many international travelers already have these protections in their booking. Always check. For everyone else, third-party options exist. The rental desk is the most expensive place to buy peace of mind. With a little prep, you can get better coverage for a fraction of the cost. Don't let confusion and fear dictate your choices. Know what you're buying and what you don't need. That's the real secret to saving money. Be prepared, not pressured. Think this is just theory? Meet the Canadian tourist in Florida. She thought her own insurance was enough, but the rental agent insisted otherwise. Feeling pressured, she bought the company's policy, only to find a $562 charge on her bill. That's more than some round-trip flights. This happens every day. Agents use high-pressure tactics to sell unnecessary insurance. The lesson? Preparation is your only defense. Walk in with proof of your coverage and confidence in your rights. Don't let yourself be bullied into extra costs. That $562 could have gone to your vacation, not the rental desk. Be ready and keep your money for the memories. Here's your secret weapon, your credit card. Many premium cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve or Amex Platinum offer free collision damage waiver, CDW, for rentals. The best cards provide primary coverage so you never have to involve your own insurance. Confirm your benefits before you travel. Ask for the policy in writing. If your card doesn't offer primary coverage or you want extra liability, buy a third-party policy online. Annual policies can cost less than a week of rental desk insurance. This is one of the best travel hacks out there. Walk into the rental office with your own CDW and SLI, and you're protected for a fraction of the cost. Always have your documentation ready. Outsmart the upsell. Don't pay more than you have to. Your credit card can save you hundreds. Use it wisely and you're in control. That's how you beat the system. You've done your homework, documents in hand, and you're ready for the final test, the rental desk showdown. When the agent asks about insurance, smile and say, "No thank you, I have primary coverage through my credit card." If they push back, stay calm. I understand the process and I'm comfortable with it. If they claim your coverage isn't accepted, show your printed policy. Most of the time, that ends the argument. Remember, you're the customer. You're not required to buy anything extra. Before signing, check the contract for any sneaky insurance charges. If you see them, ask for a new agreement without the add-ons. Be polite but firm. Those few minutes of persistence can save you hundreds. Winning isn't about confrontation, it's about being prepared and confident. Don't let pressure tactics work on you. You've got the knowledge and the proof. Stand your ground and you'll walk away with your money and your dignity intact. The stare down is yours to win. You're ready. You've got the keys, but don't drive off just yet. Before you load your bags, grab your phone and document the car's condition, inside and out. Take a slow video of every panel, zoom in on scratches, dents, and scuffs. Don't forget the wheels, bumpers, and windshield. Narrate the date and location if you want. Make it clear what was there before you drove away. Do the same for the interior seats, dashboard, and odometer. This 5-minute inspection is your shield against surprise charges. When you return the car, repeat the process. If possible, get a staff member to sign off on the return. If you drop off after hours, your video is your only proof. A digital paper trail protects you from unfair claims. Don't skip this step, it's your best defense. Now you're truly ready to hit the road. Enjoy your trip, worry-free. The American road trip should be about freedom, not insurance stress. Here's your pre-flight checklist for a smooth rental experience. First, call your credit card company weeks before your trip. Confirm if you have primary CDW LDW and get the policy in writing. If not, buy third-party coverage online for liability and collision. Print all documents and keep them with your travel papers. At the desk, be ready to decline all optional insurance, politely but firmly. Double-check your contract for unwanted charges before signing. Before leaving the lot, do a thorough video and photo inspection of the car, inside and out. Repeat the inspection when you return the car. Don't let yourself be rushed or pressured. These steps turn you from an easy target into a savvy traveler. You're in control, not the system. Now go enjoy the open road. You've earned it. Drive off with confidence. No more rental car dread. Just adventure, savings, and peace of mind. That's how you do it. Safe travels.